Hello, Robinson families. We have some news to share for you. Beginning today, Tuesday, September the 5th, you're going to start seeing fencing go up around Robinson as we prepare for construction. The fencing will be set up today, and the last day that the parking lot and front entrance will be open is tomorrow, September the 6th. Construction will begin as early as Thursday, September the 7th, and after that, there'll be no access to our current parking lot and current front door. We'll explain more of it here in just a little bit in this video, but we want you to know that this will have severe impacts on drop-off and pickup and on entry into the building. We're going to relocate our main entrance. The main parking lot will be closed, but all the sidewalks surrounding the building will be open, and all the streets will also remain open. Beginning on Thursday, your new 7:30 to 8 o'clock drop-off and walker door is now the recessed doors here off of Bleckley. This is a one-way street, so you'll want to move quickly, drop off your students here along the curb, and they will enter right here. Remember, these are all buses here at the top on Oliver, and we have buses all along 3rd Street. If you want to drop and go, stay to the right side, drop your student off so they can quickly enter the building. That's any time from 7:30 to 8 o'clock. Our bus riders will continue to get off the bus and enter just like normal. Our new secured entrance after 8 o'clock will be right here, this white door off of Bleckley Street. We should have a doorbell that you'll ring for now. We'll be able to see who the person is, and then staff will let that person into the building just like we have previously. Here within the next few days, we should get the automatic buzzer, which will speed that process up, but currently our main office is just a few steps away. Anytime from 8 till 3:10, all visitors will need to check in through this door off of 3rd and Bleckley. The old parking lot will be closed through spring break. You will not be able to enter or exit anywhere inside these yellow lines. We want to keep you aware that these are bus lanes, so please keep those open during the day. We will have some construction right here off of 3rd Street, but mostly that is storage and planning. The part here on Bleckley is currently a 2nd stage option. In the morning from 7:30 to 8 o'clock, parking is extremely limited. Anywhere here on Bleckley are drop and goes. We highly encourage you, if you do need to park in the morning, try to park here on Bleckley or here on 3rd and walk to our entrance here off of Bleckley if you absolutely must come in. These are bus lanes. Students will enter here for buses and here in the morning for drop-off. If you need to park, these lots will fill up quickly. They're your first option. Bleckley is the second option. 3rd Street is another option, and only in emergencies should you really stick to Bleckley here, as this will fill up quickly and is a drop and go. Due to traffic, we really are asking you not to drop your students off over here on the playground and let them cross the street, because in the morning we have chances for accidents. Now, during the school hours from 8 to 3:10, parking again is limited here on our 2 staff parking lots. You could park here on Bleckley, you could park here on 3rd. From 8:30 to 2 o'clock, this is temporary parking only right here beside the building, because our buses will start to fill up right there, and we need those spots open for buses. Same thing here along Bleckley. This is only temporary short-term parking, as we will have special education buses right here for our students, and we need to keep that open. No one will be able to use the parking lot right here. During the school day, our new secure entry is right here off the courtyard off of Bleckley and 3rd Street. Please keep in mind, if we do have heavy rains, Bleckley from 2nd to Central truly becomes hazardous and fills up quickly with water. You could park right along here and take the sidewalk in the event of those situations, or you can always call the office and we can bring our student out to you in another location. Finally, pickup, as always, is interesting, but it could get more interesting after Thursday. We highly suggest you ask your student to meet you in one of the green areas here. If you are coming to pick your student up after school and you have to park, Please park on both sides of Bleckley and keep this middle lane open at all times. Clogging up 2nd Street will cause major problems, so truly try your very best not to park along this section. We highly suggest you have your students meet you here on 3rd off of Bleckley, anywhere here on Bleckley Drive in this open field, over here in this parking lot off of Central. We have another parking lot off of Oliver, and we have another field here at Central and Bleckley. Glendale remains a good option to pick students up. They will fill up quickly once Hyde begins to get off. You will not be able to pick students up in the old parking lot, and all these spaces have to be free for our buses. Students will exit courtyard doors, recess doors here off Bleckley. They will be able to exit here near the old auditorium, and they will exit here near the nurses station. Please review with your students how you want them to pick up beginning Thursday. We know this will be a major inconvenience. We're excited for our new double secure entry and office space to help keep our students and faculty safe and secure. Please don't hesitate to contact us for more information, and we'll have more videos out as we go.